Internet, what is up? We are back. One more again. Full unboxing again this time. Here we go. Let's talk about some shoes. Shoes are fun, right? We like shoes. That's what we like in this house. All right, we're going to cut this thing open. Y'all probably know what these are already. Don't you? Oops. Let's not cut my finger off. All right. We're going to open this up. Oh, what do we have here? We have the Pro Leather. Let's see what this is all about. We're going to throw that over there. We are going to talk about, the Pro Leather, made in collaboration with Fleur. I guess that changed, right? It used to be Golf Fleur. Is that not a thing anymore? Golf Fleur. I like Golf Fleur. Big fan of Tyler, the Creator. I like that. What do we have? We have Converse, size 9.5, Pro Leather Ox. Let's look at this. Y'all want to see that? There you go. That's a thing. Is it going to focus for you? It might. There we are. Look at that. You can see what it says. Yeah, let's see. White. It says Amazon and Natural Ivory. All right, Amazon and Natural Ivory. We like the little, oh, look, this is a little shield. Little thing going on here. It's what we got. We got little Converse shoes on the back. Some little Fleur on the side. And got pictures and words on the front. Pictures and words. Actually kind of excited about these. I ordered these like 3 weeks ago when they dropped. They were supposed to drop on sneakers one day. They also hit the Golf Fleur site one day. And yeah, I was able to cop them on Golf Fleur, but they got pushed back on sneakers. And actually did not get released on sneakers for almost 3 weeks. Took a little while to get these things to ship. Was a little sad about all that. There we go. We got the little box going on here. Look, little slidey outy box. Doing little slidey outies with a little finger hole here. All right, we're going to say this. It says Converse, a curated collection by Tyler, the Creator. There you go. Do you need to see that? All right, we're done with the box. Enough with the box shenanigans. We got individually wrapped shoes. Okay. That doesn't, here, I'll show you. It was like this. It was like that. We're going to take one of these out. We are going to unwrap it. We'll put that back in there. Look at that, kids. Look at that fancy pantsness. We got some ivory fat laces. We got some white fat laces. Here you go. Take a look there. Take a look. It's got words. Do you see the words? It says Pro Leather for Converse by Fleur. Again, not really sure where the golf part went. Still in their in their URL. Somebody explain that to me. Where'd the golf part go? Is Golf Wang still a thing? I think it is. I've seen that. I've seen their stuff out there. Look at that. This is nice. This is a little low top. We got some like natural ivory here on the up on the toe. Somebody said these look like the Adidas shell toes. Maybe. I get it. I remember when the shell toes, when Run DMC rocked those all the time. We got the little medial side here. We got some decent leather. This isn't bad. It's kind of nice. We got some more white leather around here. Premium, maybe. I'll say it's fine. It's not shit leather, that's for sure. But this is okay. Look, got a little more words on it. Everything's got words on it. Fleur. I think that means flower. But we got the smooth leather going on here and around the back. We got a leather tongue with the words on it. I already told you that part. This is kind of a rubbery shenanigans. We got the natural on the outside here on the midsole with some stitching. Got matching stitching there. Let's say take a look at the bottom there, everybody. There you go. What does that say? Oh, that's upside down to you. We don't want that. We want it to say, we want the words to be right. Converse All-Star. Yeah, that's what this is. We got little suede here. Little suede shenanigans with the star and the chevron. That's a chevron, is what that is. We got the back tab here with the suede and some little debossed nonsense here with the Converse star and the Converse more words. Yeah, we got words. We got ivory fat laces. We got white fat laces. We got a little tag here. One or more of the components on the product is a dyed material leather. All right. What that means is it's going to bleed. If these get wet, the green's going to bleed. We know that though, right? We've had suede shoes in the past. Let's open up the other one. Let's see. Nothing else in the box here. Nike SB, when I order those, when I order the Nike SBs, they send me stickers. I like that part. Converse here didn't send me any stickers. Maybe there's some stickers in the shoes. I doubt it. We're going to take the little paper out. We're going to do that. We got another white lace here, just kind of hanging on. We got the ivory lace. I kind of like the ivory laces, I think. Let's take this other one out. Yeah, we don't got anything else in there. There's nothing else. We just got the one extra pair of laces. Kind of would have been nice if they would have sent some green ones, but, you know, oh well, it's all right. It's all fine. Everything's fine, people. Did I mention I'm kind of a fan of the Tyler, the Creator shenanigans. I kind of like that vibe. I like this vibe. This is Tyler. There you go. Let's look at that. Look at that. Let's do this number here for you. We'll go like that. We'll flip them around. Yeah, you can see the whole thing there, right? This is a whole thing. Yeah, anyway, let me throw this out the way. What do we think of these? I kind of like I like the silhouette. I said in one of my other videos that I like the old Fleur stuff, the old Converse, that GLF 2.0. I got like 3 pair of those. I dig them. I got the I got the 1 stars, the Chuck Taylors. I got all of those. And just wanted to throw something else from Tyler into the collection, and I kind of like these. I did not opt. They make an opposite colorway of this, where it's green suede on the body of the shoe, and then they do smooth leather on the chevron and on the stars. They do that. I kind of opted not to get that one. I didn't. I don't know. I just didn't. I don't think that I need a green suede shoe. But this one's all right. I'll put this on. I got some green shirts and whatnot that I can wear with this. What else do we got here? Let's take a look inside. Let's see if the little insole comes out. That's not bad looking. It's got some. Everything's got words on it. Yeah, it's this seems kind of cushy. It'll be all right. What do you think about the Tyler, the Creator stuff? Do you like it? I do. If you're watching this, you probably do. I'm going to put this up. I just got these. It's Thursday the 30th. And I ordered these like almost 3 weeks ago, I think. And they just now showed up, which is fine. You know, I got other shoes to wear. But, yeah, I'm going to, this is going to post, you're probably watching this on August 1st. I'm going to put it up on a Saturday. I'm going to try to release, shoe unboxing videos on Saturdays. And then I'll do the other shenanigans, the reviews or whatever, other times. But tell me what you think of these. If those of you that are still watching, it's been 10 minutes. I'll finish this up, but just, hey, thank you very much. I passed 100 subscribers. 100 subscribers here on the channel. That's nice. Look at that. There we go. That's a thing. It says Fleur on both sides. Like I said, words. Words. More words. There's words on the inside. Can you see that? Yeah. It says words on the inside. And then there's more words on the back. And then there's more words on the bottom. Lots of reading if you get bored. Little weavy looking outsole here. Yeah, I think this will be all right. I'm not disappointed. I'll tell you that. I'm not. Are you disappointed? Tell me in the comments if you like the Tyler stuff. Like it, comment, subscribe. I've said it before. Don't say mean shit though. Ain't no reason to be mean. I try not to be mean. I try to be a nice guy. But yeah, thanks for watching. And if you're still here, give it a thumbs up and just be good people. Cool?